Guys, Brash RC's here. So today we're completely tearing down the mud truck and doing a whole bunch of maintenance because it's all sorts of destroyed and stuff. So what I have so far right now taken apart is the whole back case with all the gears and stuff. So this is what it looks like. Here is where the clutch / brake pad and pin or spur gear they go over there. So here's the old one, all gross, and this is the old brake pad / clutch. I actually tried to bend it back, and it's also got a whole bunch of grooves. But I tried to bend it back, but as you can see, it's still bent. It was really bad, but yeah, so it just doesn't sit very evenly. See, right there you can see it very well. So here's the new one. Brand new bearing. Brand new brake pads, except I did drop it and a chunk came out of the brake pad. So yeah, that's that. This is the clutch. This is one of my old clutches that I've already used, as you can tell, but it's not bent, and I just cleaned it very well. I'm gonna have to wash it again now that I got fingerprints on it, because this is actually the brake, so it stops the car. So it's not very good to have any oil on it from your fingers or whatever, you know. So let's wash it off again and get it back into the car. So now we got the clutch. Try not to touch any of that part, just touch the outside to get it in. So you're gonna want to do this. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see, but so just pop it into where there's one instead of what would be two. So then once you get that in, and this paint under here looks really good. But so once you get that in, you get your new, whatever it's called, spur gear. Just pop. Wait, I think I moved that. Yep. Ah. Ah. And then you get this back in here. Then you get your spur gear again. And with your pinion gear on already, you're gonna have to put it in at an angle. And then you get your spring, which is for compression. Then you get your bolt to hold down the spring. That's just your standard wheel nut. Once you get that done, you get your wheel tool. I'm not gonna be able to record this part, but then you have to tighten this down and hold down the pinion gear so it's doesn't move around, you know. And then that's tightened down, and then I'll get back with you guys once that's all the way on. You should have about that much extra space, and there. So I'm running the speed treads because yeah. But we have a whole bunch of suspension issues up front with the squeak, in back with the squeak, and we have a whole bunch of positive camber. Just really dirty. So yeah, let's get this truck completely tore down and cleaned. In a quick time, we got the ESC out, so now onto this. Well, I guess I'm not gonna remove the servo. I'm just gonna kind of wash it as it's on here because I don't feel like removing the screws and putting them back on. The ESC was easy because I have a drill. So let's start cleaning. Alright guys, so now I just got the ESC cleaned and all the wires. So let's get it reinstalled real quick. Alrighty, so now once your truck is all clean, other than that tape, which is hard to get clean because it's under, I'm gonna actually replace that in a minute. But so now the ESC all clean, reinstalled, all the way, plugged back in here, servo. So let's go replace this tape and tape down this wire. One thing that I did off camera is I painted this red, and that's the thing that you put the pin in to hold the battery in. So I'm gonna get that installed real quick. So I got this tightened down. It kind of lost some of the paint when I tightened it down, but all you use is your wheel tool on the smaller side, and get it lined up how you want it, and then that's that. It just makes it a little bit more colorful, just like this. So yeah. Alright, so once you get that taped up and covered up so it's safe, now we're going to do the ESC wire. Alright, so now that's taped, and so it's all clean. I'm just going to go over it one more time because there's some paper towel, like dust or whatever it's called on there. And then, alright, so now it's all clean. Looks a lot better. We need to get that clean still, but over there's a lot harder, so I'm just gonna have to like take everything off. Oh, we got a loose screw. But I'm just gonna have to take everything off up there and then wash it that way. And all this same way, because I already cleaned it, but it just got dirty again and all that. So I'll go in depth later. Let's get the underside done. And now the whole bottom is clean. You don't need to get it perfect because it's just gonna get dirty right away again. I also got some scrapes on this, but I mean, they're all gonna get scraped, so it doesn't really matter. But now your truck is all clean and looks way better on the inside, and you can clean the outside of your truck like I did a little while ago. I could wash it again because there's some dirt on there again, but yeah, I'm just gonna do that real quick, I guess, because it's not gonna take very long. And now your truck is super clean, and yeah, so and even got the grill all clean and roof rack. Oh, got some grass. The whole front end is messed up. Just watch this wobble. Watch this wobble, you guys. It's not good in the truck. Not sure if you guys can hear it. Sounds like the motor, which I'm not very surprised. Oh, there might be a stick in there, but I'm not gonna be very surprised if it's the motor, because this motor has been through a lot. So about 30 minutes later, after removing the motor, cleaning it thoroughly with grease. I don't know why, but I didn't record it. Next time I clean it, I will. So now listen to this. Alright, so I don't want the truck to get all dirty in the first day of it being clean. So I'm just gonna go inside. I just thought I'd show you the motor being clean. That's how good that sounds. It sounds brand new. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Leave a like, comment down below for new videos, and I will see you guys next time.